my name is Roma and welcome to my YouTube channel. So with me today I have some mouth-watering Ganesh Chaturthi snacks which have been sent to me by Mrs. Deepa Kher. She makes such mouth-watering savory snacks and delicacies during Savat and sells it. So she has sent me some of her items. So now I'm going to check it out. So guys, let me start by telling you what all she has sent me. She has sent me fenori, खारी फेनोरी, भाजनी चकरी, शंकरपाळी, खारे शंकरपाळी, अनरसे, गव्हाचे पिठाचे and besan laddu. So I'm looking forward to try out all these dishes. So guys, first up I'm going to be starting with some anarse. Crispy, sweet and crunchy. Got a very nice flavor. Next up, my favorite, fenori. This is basically a deep fried snack with powdered sugar on top, and it's one of my most favorite to eat in this during Ganesh Chaturthi. Next up is this khare chirote or fenori. I really like this. So guys, if you want to order any of these treats from her, I'll put all her contact information in the description below. So please do go check it out and order. So now I'm going to be eating besan laddu. It also has a small raisin on top as a decoration. Now I really like it when the besan is properly roasted, and this one is really well toasted, and the laddu is also really very good. Now this is the gavache pithache laddu. Let's try it out. It has some cashew nuts inside of it. Love it. So guys, now I have some dry snacks. This one is khare shankarpali. So let's give it a go. Crunchy and crispy. I love savory snacks as compared to sweet snacks during Savat, that is Ganesh Chaturthi. So I love this. I've never had savory shankarpali, so I really love this. Next up, I have the usual normal sweet shankarpali. Both are crispy and crunchy. And now guys, for my most favorite delicacy that I eat during Savat, which is available all year round, is the bhajnachi chakri. I love chakri. This is one of my most favorite snacks. So guys, these were the items that Miss Deepa Kher had sent me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want any of these items, please do go order it from her. I will put all her links in the description below. Please do go check it out. So thank you so much, Isha, for sending me these products by your mom. I really love those. So guys, my most favorite thing out of these items was the besan laddu. It was so good, made in pure ghee. Just absolutely loved it. Also, this khare shankarpali is also really very good. I loved it. I don't think I'm going to share this with anyone else. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and please do like it, share it with your friends, family, order from her, and yes, please do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.